For this project, you will need an infusible ink transfer sheet, heat-safe tape, and a 12-ounce sublimation compatible mug. At the library, you will use a standard grip Cricut mat and the weeder tool. First, plug the Cricut Maker 3 power cord into an outlet. Then plug the USB cable into the provided computer. Carefully open the top lid of the Cricut and press the power button to turn it on. On the computer, open Cricut Design Space. Sign into your personal Design Space account or create a free account. In the search bar, type Geauga Library and press the search button. Scroll to the bottom and click the Geauga Library community member. This opens the Geauga County Public Library's profile page. Click on the 12-ounce Read Mug project, then click Customize. You can edit or customize the design however you like using the design tools. Make sure the Maker 3 is selected. When ready to make, click Make It. Choose On Mat and make sure it is the 12 by 12 inch mat. Click Confirm. Make sure to click Mirror to flip the image before cutting. Click Continue. Click Browse All Materials and search for the infusible transfer ink. Choose the option and click Done. You can change the pressure to more to make sure it cuts properly on one try. The blade is already installed. Remove the plastic cover from the standard grip mat. Place the infusible ink transfer sheet on the mat. It should be shiny side down. Place the mat under the knobs and gently press it against the rubber rollers. Then press the feed button. The machine should pull in the mat. After the maker measures the mat, press the blinking Go button. The maker will cut the project. When finished, press the feed button again and remove the mat. On the computer, click Finished and close the Design Space software. Plug in the mug press as it takes a few minutes to heat up. Peel the mat away from the ink transfer sheet. Don't bend the sheet as it may curl. Remove any parts of the design you want to be white on the mug. Use the weeder tool and remove the letters. Firmly press the design on the mug, making sure there are no bubbles and that it fits tightly around the mug. Use the heat-safe tape to seal the top and bottom of the mug, but this is optional. When the mug press is ready, the light will be green and it will beep. Carefully place the mug inside with the handle in the nook. The press is hot. Press the lever and wait as the press counts down 6 minutes. The press will beep when finished. Once done, lift the lever and carefully remove the mug. It will be hot. Set the mug aside and turn off the press. Let the mug cool for 15 minutes at least. Once cool, peel off the tape and remove the transfer sheet. Your design is now on the mug. Congratulations, your mug is finished.